Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Learn English Step by Step. Today I will discuss about prepositions. Firstly, I will talk about objectives. Students will be able to define preposition and prepositional phrase. Students will be able to identify the types and kinds of prepositions. Students will be able to determine the uses and example of each preposition. Students will be able to use preposition or prepositional phrase in a sentence correctly. Now starts with the definition of prepositions. A preposition is a word that indicates the relationship between a noun and the other words of sentence. They explain relationship of sequence, space and logic between the object of the sentence and the rest of the sentence. They help us understand order, time, connection and position. Examples: I am going to Iceland. Alex threw a stone into the pond. The present is inside the box. They have gone out of the town. Types of preposition: prepositions of time, preposition of place and direction, prepositions of agent or things, and phrasal prepositions. Prepositions of time. Preposition of time shows the relationship of time between the noun to the other parts of a sentence. Example: he started working at 10 a.m. The company called meeting on 25th October. There is a holiday in December. He has been ill since Monday. Preposition of place and direction. Preposition of place shows the relationship between place between the noun to the other parts of a sentence. Example: he is at home. He came from England. The police broke into the house. I live across the river. Prepositions of agent or things. Prepositions of agent or things indicate a causal relationship between noun and other parts of the sentence. Example: this article is about smartphones. Most of the guests have already left. I will always be there for you. He is playing with his brother. Phrasal preposition. A phrasal preposition is not a prepositional phrase, but they are a combination of two or more words which functions as the preposition. Example: they along with their child went to Atlanta. According to new rules, you are not right. In spite of being a good player, he was not selected. I am going out of the city. Thank you.